R.P.M Engineers India Limited is a leading manufacturer of dairy equipments and food processing machinery in India, operating from its head office in Chennai. R.P.M designs and sells production equipments, plants and systems for dairy, brewery, food and beverage, pharmaceutical and cosmetic industries. Decades of experience, innovation, testing and dedication to efficient project management enables R.P.M to offer the most competitive and reliable process solution. R.P.M's manufacturing expertise includes milk plant, yogurt, dahi and lassi plant, ice cream plant, cottage cheese plant, gram flakes processing plant. R.P.M is an organization with a perfect blend of industrial managers and experienced engineers to manage and design all equipments and projects to the strictest safety and highest performance standards to meet the customer's requirements. Experienced and well-qualified engineers have the knowledge and experience to handle full-service turnkey projects development right from the design phase through full implementation and to on-site engineering support. R.P.M's technical experts are always available to serve their customers and assist them in various stages of the project implementation. Sprawling and spacious workshop, state-of-the-art machineries and an experienced workforce to handle fabrication works such as sheet metal pressing, shearing, machining, drilling, welding, grinding, polishing, testing, and material handling. Sufficient storage space for raw materials and finished products.
R.P.M Engineers has been the manufacturer of dairy equipment and have been in the field for the last 34 years, specializing on various stainless steel machineries that are needed for the dairy industry as well as for food and beverage sector. From a very small beginning, R.P.M has grown into a large-scale manufacturer of dairy equipment as well as for food processing machineries, following the latest technology in welding, polishing, and also giving a lot of stress on the hygiene which is necessary for this industry. R.P.M's success is because of its keen and dedicated engineering team which goes very deep into the core engineering before designing the equipments or projects. Constant improvements on the equipment to the customer requirements. We also give a lot of importance in the quality of the equipments at the floor level, as well as the service which we offer to our customers during their erection and commissioning of the equipment.
Some of R.P.M's major works are 15,000 litres per day yogurt processing plant, Chennai's Creamery, Bangalore. Dosing and weighing system for biscuit processing plant, ITC, Nadiad, Gujarat. 3 lakh litres per day. Milk packing station, Mandia Milk Producers Union, Bangalore. 7 lakh litres per day. Milk packing station, Mother Dairy, Yelahanka, Bangalore. 60,000 litres per day and expandable up to 1 lakh litres. Milk plant, Padanantitta, Thiruvananthapuram Milk Union. Many of India's leading manufacturers are R.P.M's customers. R.P.M is a synergy of excellent engineering team, ongoing research and development, quality craftsmanship, superior product quality, identification and support of product innovation and improvements, dedicated customer service and support, sterile standards conforming to national and international specifications. R.P.M offers solutions and complete process lines tailored to each customer's needs and requirements. The success story of R.P.M is all about excellent team spirit, outstanding leadership and managerial skills, classic work environment and individual satisfaction, on-time delivery, erection and commissioning of projects. Whether it's a process equipment or custom system or individual plants or engineering of complete processing lines, R.P.M believes in setting the highest standards in product quality and exceeding customer expectations to ensure the economic success of the entire production process.